Once upon a time, two brothers who lived on adjoining farms fell into a conflict. It was the first serious rift in 40 years of farming side by side. It began with a small misunderstanding and it grew into a major difference which exploded into an exchange of bitter words followed by weeks of silence. One morning, there was a knock on elder brother's door. He opened it to find a man with a carpenter's toolbox. The man said, "Hello, I'm a carpenter. I'm looking for a few days of work. Perhaps you would have a few small jobs here and there. Could I help you?" "Yes," said the elder brother. "I do have a job for you. Look across the creek at that farm. That's my neighbor. In fact, it's my younger brother, and we don't get along very well. Last week he dug a wider passage for water into his farm, but he ended up creating a very wide creek in between our farms, and I am sure he did it just to annoy me. I want you to build me something so that we don't have to stand and see each other's face from across." The carpenter said, "I think I understand the situation. I will be able to do a job that will please you." At sunset, after the elder brother returned to see the work, the carpenter had just finished his job. The elder brother's eyes opened wide and his jaw dropped. It was not what he had even thought of or imagined. It was a bridge stretching from one side of the creek to the other, a fine piece of work, beautiful handrails, and to his surprise, his younger brother across the creek was coming to meet him with a big smile and arms wide open to hug him. "You are really kind and humble, my brother. After all I had done and said to you, you still showed that blood relations can never be broken. I am truly sorry for my behavior," the younger brother said as he hugged his elder brother. They turned to see the carpenter hoist his toolbox on his shoulder. "No, wait, stay a few days. I have lot of other projects for you," said the older brother. "I would love to stay on," the carpenter said, "but I have many more bridges to build." I will see you next Sunday. Thank you for watching.